I think we're a little bit of a disruptor in some ways, and I think we're quite complementary in others. We're aiming to be the sort of the bit between the littoral zone and the complex seabed. So when I say that, that's the sort of first 50 to 100 kilometers at sea. We're trying to provide connectivity in those really exciting places where there's a lot of use cases that are requiring really high bandwidth data. Hopefully in 5 years from now, our startup's going to be in a position where we're making substantial EBITs, and we've got sort of a global network we're starting to work towards operating around a number of those complex seabeds. Personally, we will probably be looking to exit just around then as well. Having the support of the MNOs and the mobile network behind us and our startup is helping us grow quite quickly, because it enables us to experiment with our business model and help us accelerate the route to market via partnerships and other such means.